Welcome to our YT channel CSC Language Hub. Please turn on, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icons to get new video notifications. Video we are going to learn more about basics of a computer. Topic 1 about computers. About computers. Nowadays, computer is the most famous business product because by using computers we can perform any type of business operations. Basically, it is combination of hardware and software. As we know, the computer is a combination of hardware and software. The physical components are called hardware and the non-physical components are called software. Now coming to topic 2, softwares. The softwares are classified as follows. They are like system software and application software. There are two types of software, system software and application software. System software means it is purely developed for digital computer. Means with the help of system software only, we can control any type of computer. The best example is OS, means operating systems like Windows, Mac and others. As we know, our phones are controlled by Android. It is also comes under system software. Okay, coming to second type, application software. It is developed for humans. Depends on the working performances. It is mainly classified into following categories. As coming to application software, it is developed for humans. Depending on the working performances, it is mainly classified into following categories. Let us see that. Classification of system software. It is mainly classified as following categories. They are like packages and languages. In the systems application software, in the software application software, they are having following categories: packages and languages. To languages and packages. Package means it is a ready-made product. Basically, the package developed by a language. Using package, we can perform single operation only. Nowadays, we are having so many packages. They are like MS Office, DTP, games, and etc. Coming to languages, the entire computer industry depends on the languages only because by using language, we can develop any type of business applications, packages, depending on the performances, and the language are mainly classified into following categories.